Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to discuss the problems on those concepts which are explained in the last class. Find the chord of contact of the point 2, comma 3 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. Now, given circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. Here 2z is equal to minus 5, g is equal to minus 5 by 2 and 2f is equal to 4, f is equal to 2. Now given point 2 comma 3. So equation of chord of contact of P 2 comma 3 with respect to S is equal to 0 is S1 is equal to 0. So in last class I explained that the equation of chord of contact drawn from any point outside the circle to that circle is S1 equal to 0. That is xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. So x into 2 plus y into 3 minus 5 by 2 into x plus 2 plus 2 into y plus 3. Here c is minus 2 equal to 0. Now let us multiply the entire equation with 2. So you will get 4x plus 6y minus 5x minus 10 plus 4y plus 12 minus 4 equal to 0. So it will be minus x plus 10y minus 14 plus 2 plus 12. So minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 10y plus 2 equal to 0. That is the required equation of chord of contact of that point with respect to the given circle. The next problem, find the polar of 2 comma 3 with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 equal to 0. Now, given circle x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 equal to 0. Here 2z is equal to 6, g is equal to 3, 2f is equal to 8, f is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 96. And given point is P2 comma 3. So we know that polar of P with respect to S equal to 0 is S1 equal to 0. It is very important. Remember that equation of tangent at the point, chord of contact and polar of P, they are all equals to S1 equal to 0. So S1, that is xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. So x into 2 plus y into 3 plus 3 into x plus 2 plus 4 into y plus 3 minus 96 equal to 0. So here 2x plus 3x 5x, 3y plus 4y 7y, 6 plus 12 18 minus 96. So minus 78 equal to 0. That is the required equation of the polar of the point with respect to the given circle. Another important problems on conjugate points. Show that the points 4 comma 2, 3 comma minus 5 are conjugate with respect to the circle. square plus y square minus 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. We know that 2 points a x1 comma y1 b x2 comma y2 are said to be conjugate with respect to the circle s equal to 0 if s12 is equal to 0. So you have to consider s12, that is x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c. If that value is equals to 0, then we say that they are conjugate points. Now solution. First one, given points 4 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 5. Now given circle x square plus y square minus 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. Now here 2z is equal to minus 3, g is equal to minus 3 by 2. 2f is equal to minus 5, f is equal to minus 5 by 2 and c is equal to 1. So let us consider s12, that is x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c. If this value is equal to 0, we say that those 2 points are conjugate. So x1 4 into x2 is 3 plus 2 into minus 5 minus 3 by 2 into 4 plus 3 minus 5 by 2 into 2 minus 5 plus 1. So you will get 12 minus 10 minus 21 by 2, 7 3s are. So here it is minus 3. So plus 15 by 2 plus 1. So 2 is the LCM. 12 minus 10 is 2. So 4 minus 21 plus 15 plus 2. So you can see 21 minus 21 by 2. So S12 is equal to 0. Now you have S12 is equal to 0 means those points are conjugate points. Therefore P 4 comma 2 and Q 3 comma minus 5 are conjugate points. Now in the second problem they have given that the points 4 comma 2 and k comma minus 3 are conjugate with this circle, so that you have to find the value of k. So given points 4 comma 2 and k comma minus 3. So given circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 equal to 0. So here 2z is equal to minus 5, g is equal to minus 5 by 2, 2f is equal to 8, f is equal to 4 and c is equal to 6. Now given that it is given that p comma q are conjugate with respect to s is equal to 0. That is the given circle. So they are conjugate with respect to the circle. That means S12 is equal to 0. Here you need to take that condition S12 equal to 0. That is x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c is equal to 0. So x1 4 into k plus 2 into minus 3 minus 5 by 2 into 4 plus k plus 4 into 2 minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now let us find the value of k. So 4k minus 6 minus 20 by 2 minus 5k by 2 minus, here it is minus 1, so minus 4k minus 5k by 2 is equal to 6 minus 6 will be cancelled. 20 by 2 is again 10. So it will be 14. So 8k minus 5k. 3k by 2 is equal to 14. K is equal to 28 by 3. That is the required value of k. Here they have given that the points are conjugate and you need to find some value. Very, very important model. Another important model, find the pole of the line x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. We have that pole of Lx plus My plus n equal to 0 with respect to the circle S is equal to 0 is minus g plus L lambda minus f plus L n lambda, where lambda is equal to r square by Lg plus mf minus n. So let us find the pole of this line with respect to the circle. So given circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Here 2z is equal to minus 4, g is equal to minus 2. 2f is equal to 6, f is equal to 3 and r is equal to root of 4 plus 9 plus 12. So r is equal to 5. Now given line x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So pole of given line with respect to s is equal to 0 is minus g plus l lambda minus f plus m lambda. First let us find the value of lambda. So here lambda is equal to r square by Lg plus mf minus n. So where r square is 25 by L into g. Now you have to compare this line with Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. So L is equal to 1, m is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. Now Lg, so 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 3 minus 2. So you will get minus 4 plus 3, so minus 1. Lambda is equal to minus 25. Now pole is minus g plus l lambda. So 2 plus L is 1 into lambda is minus 25 and minus f plus m lambda. So minus 3 plus 1 into minus 25. So it will be minus 23 comma minus 8. That is the pole of the line with respect to the circle. Very, very important problem. They are giving you as a 4 marks question. Next problem, find the value of k if the lines x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x plus ky minus 8 equal to 0 are conjugate with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. We know that if two lines are conjugate with respect to the circle S is equal to 0, then pole of one line with respect to the circle lies on other line. So by using that concept we are going to find the value of k. Otherwise you have a formula also, r square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equal to L1g plus M1f minus N1 into L2g plus M2f minus N2. You can use that formula also. So given circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Here 2z is equal to minus 2, g is equal to minus 1, 2f is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 1, and r is equal to root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it will be root 3. Now given lines x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, let it be equation 1. 2x plus ky minus 8 equal to 0, equation 2. Now we consider the pole of equation 1 with respect to the circle. So pole of equation 1 with respect to the circle is minus g plus l lambda minus f plus m lambda, where l is equal to 1, m is equal to 1, n is equal to minus 5. We use this formula and find the pole. Further we substitute in the second line. So here lambda is equal to r square by lg plus mf minus n. So lambda is equal to 3 by l into g, that is 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus n. So it will be plus 5. So lambda is equal to 3 by 3. Lambda is equal to 1. Now pole of equation 1 with respect to s is equal to 0 is, we are going to find the pole of the line 1 with respect to the circle, that is 1 plus l lambda, 1 into 1 comma 1 plus 1 into 1, so that will be 2 comma 2. Now this pole lies on the second line, so it lies on 2x plus ky minus 8 equal to 0, because 1 and 2 are conjugate lines. Since 1 and 2 are conjugate, so 2 into 2 plus k into 2 minus 8 equal to 0. 2k is equal to 4, k is equal to 2. That is the required value of k. I will give you homework on these type of problems. You have to complete the homework and post it to me through WhatsApp. But to get the homework, you have to send me a request through WhatsApp.